Hello, here today we're at SLE Equipment to look at this 8.5 by 44 custom marketing event trailer. Looking underneath the riser, we can see the area for the hydraulics and batteries. From underneath, we can see the expanded metal. That area is used for a generator. Two front doors will open up to give access. It remains skin, that way it will keep from having dirt and bugs, things like that, fly up on the generators while in travel in transit. With the passenger side, we can see the side entry door with bar lock. So with the bar locks, not only do you have the deadbolt and the handle lock that's on the main door, you'll also be able to put the bar across and put a padlock in for additional security while traveling. Get a better look down the side of the trailer. We can see the axles. Now each one of the wheels is 8 lug. They are aluminum mag wheels. The rear of the trailer has a spoiler. We can see the rear ramp with transition flap. The ramp also has spring assist. There are E-tracks on the driver and passenger sides, as well as D-rings in the front and rear. We can see the grid wall paneling. There is a winch mounted in the floor as well. We'll see a drawer system. With lock. Push button. Compartment that hides the remote for the winch. Up top, behind the generator area, they've used the rest of the riser for storage and an area for the electric components. You can see the included power cable. The driver's side of the trailer also has a door. There we go. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a nice day.